Hey guys, let's learn how to make Instagram Reels go viral. Easy. All we need to do, basically, is to choose one of the most viral ones over here. And basically, of course, it's not only that, but we've got to choose one of the most viral ones that we want to make our version of. So basically, if you want to make your own version with this specific sound right here now, since this is a sound that is getting viral already on Instagram, once you make your own version, it may have a chance of getting viral as well. As you can see here, it has almost 2.6 million likes and equal amount of not really equal, but a lot of comments as well. And I'm pretty sure that the views will be a lot as well with that. And basically, if you want to make your own viral Instagram Reels in a very, very easy way, just click on the sound. And of course, I want you guys to use this audio. So head on over and use the audio. Basically, as you can see here, most of the videos over here are going viral with 200 views or more. Basically, if you want to make your own, just click on that button right there to make your own reel and click on. Okay, and of course, all you need to do, guys, is to now create your own reel. So basically, you could add some stuff using this add button on the very bottom if you want to add your own photos or videos. Could also choose some of the filters over here, but I do recommend that you choose a specific filter that is trending as well. So head on over onto the Filters tab, which is over here right below the sound. Click on that and head on over to Trending. And what this will do is it will just basically up your chances of your Instagram Reel getting more viral, because since you are using a viral sound, and you're also going to use a viral Instagram filter or effect to enhance your video and, of course, to give it more chances of getting viral itself. And of course, it's not only that, but you also need to have and make your video more aesthetically pleasing and just not make like in. And I just don't recommend you guys to just put anything over there onto your specific Instagram Reel. Of course, you have to make it pleasing to the eyes of the audience and of course, much more in line into what your specific audience wants to see. Okay, guys, and of course, once you're done editing your reel, just head it over and post it onto your Instagram profile. And then in no time, within 24, maybe 5 business or rather 5 normal days, you should have your video going viral with 1,000 views or more, just like this one, as I did a few months ago. As you can see, I have like 2,000 views or more with this audio. I have just basically edit this over here onto the Instagram editor and use a viral sound and without any effect. But of course, more chances of this video specifically getting more viral if you're going to use a viral effect or trending effect as well. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.